From the past couple of days, I am trying to make the list of cool apps for the architects. Happy to announce that I have finally done that, and let's get started. So, the first app is called Autodesk Sketchbook. The app is best for in-hand sketchbook for the architects, and on the opening, you have the multiple options for choosing the custom paper size according to your need. It have very simple UI and easy to understand all the tools. It having tools for text, time lapse and many advanced options. The varieties for brush available, different patterns, shapes, even you can change the size or the opacity of the brush with amazing advanced options. Also there is variety of colors and color palette. The another advanced option is the layers. You can work on layers too. On the bottom dot there are short keys which help you in many things and you can set them manually. Try it now and explore the things. Next app which I like is Home Styler. The app is too advanced. In this app you can customize your room with different ideas and you can also increase your creativity with this app. There in the app some presents already added and which you can set as per your design. In the app list of the objects available for toilet, bedroom, dining area and many other spaces. I suggest you to try this app once, but one thing is not good that you cannot scale the objects which is available only in paid version. By the way, app is so good. Now this app is the one which all you know about but use it only on the time of need. Today I added Pinterest in my list for most important app. I love this app and it is too useful. How it helps me, I save or create the boards for everything. Some wall designs, elevations, some landscaping ideas. Those all help me to show the client instantly. Try to daily use it for 20 to 30 minutes and save the designs daily and create your own inspiration ideas. Start it from today and thank me later. Here the next app in my list is the House. The app is useful whether you are a student or an architect. You can see the millions of photos for home interior and exteriors. You can find the local architects and can see their works. The great number of products available which you can use to set in your image and save it. You can see trending ideas. Well, you got it how the app is useful for you. Another good thing is you can also create your profile where you can share your works and get listed on the House app so that people can reach you and start building your connections now. Now this app is the one which is so popular and it is going to be the essential one, that is Autodesk AutoCAD. Yeah, this app is all you know and what you can do with this. Now access your DWG file from the mobile only. No need of laptop every time and also not possible to take the laptop everywhere. The app will help you in access the DWG files and now even you can do so many things with this app, great features. So get the app now and explore. I don't want to ruin your experience by telling each and everything. So these are the 5 apps which I suggest you to keep in your phone and hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video and to download all these apps. Go to description, links are available. Let's connect on Instagram and I will see you in the next one.